So this is a great moment. I just learned a few notes when I was like 9 years old, and they call it solfege. I don't know how you call it in English. When you recognize the notes, do re mi do re mi fa sol la si re mi do re mi do mi fa sol la si mi do sol fa sol sol. So, could you play at last?
Oh, Lord. Now I want to request.
Yeah, come on. I played what I could. I gave you everything that I had.
Oh,
You know, do you remember Jesus?
That was
No, it was
everything
like,
you had, though.
so, Ma. The dexterity of it. We are here at the atrium of the World Bank with an exceptional rendition. This is the atrium of the World Bank, and we're just having fun. We're just playing. Basically, we're having a ball.
Yes,
What
we
is
are.
your name, madam?
Oh, my name is Deborah Faison. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Simon Handy.
Hi, Simon.
Alain. Nice to meet you.
You too.
So I
Simon
played.
played two
I
notes.
played. I played two notes. So I know also this one is the do re mi do re mi fa sol la si re mi do re mi do re mi fa sol fa mi re do. It's called solfege. I learned it in my village when I was 9 years old. So
You
it's just
still
a few notes.
remember it.
But I
That's
remember
good.
because I didn't play. But my thing is like I like saxophone. I like the
Oh,
round,
my
sassy, sexy, sensual sound of the
Round,
saxophone.
sexy, sad. Are you trying to say the piano is not sexy?
I know piano is good,
Oh.
but I'm no
listen.
Oscar Peterson. So play us something cool. Live from the atrium of the World Bank.
I'm trying to think of something to play that you might like.
Yeah, I'm a man of simple taste. I only like the best.
Time for you to go. Round, sexy, and all of that stuff, right? Only like the
No,
best.
but it's just that massive, round, generous sound of the saxophone.
There's some nice things about the woodwind instruments.
Yeah,
I'm not knocking
that's
it.
what I'm talking about. You know,
The saxophone is
the
I
saxophone
agree,
has
but
has that appeal. You know, when you listen to people like Lester Young, you know.
Oh, now he's gonna name some.
Yeah, the name dropping.
Yeah. But we appreciate the fact that you were dropping a few names for us.
Yeah, absolutely. Because then I have to show you that I'm situationally aware.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm just speaking in the wind, like
Of course.
just making noise with my mouth. So.
Yeah,
But I
because
know,
you use that
yeah.
to blow that saxophone.
No, yeah.
That you don't
It's
have.
been such a pleasure. This is what happiness is all about.
It is indeed.
You know, and they say coincidence is God's way of remaining
And you know what?
anonymous.
Actually, I'm glad they put a sign up because the pianos actually, especially acoustic pianos, actually need to be played.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
in order for them to
But tell me, what is the
maintain-
function of this guy down here?
These pedals, most people are only going to use this pedal, which is to extend the sound. Most people are not going to use the
Okay.
other two, which actually abbreviate the sound.
So on your way out, could you just give us like a few notes
I gave
for
you a few
posterity?
notes.
No, just a few, something nice, cool. something like a Duke Ellington sound, something like
Let me see.
Duke Ellington sounding, Duke Ellington sounding notes.
Okay, let's try it. See if I can do it in here. No. Now I can't do it.
We're down here playing the piano.
We?
Hey, it's a common endeavor. Come on, let me live. Coattails. You never heard about that? Huh? I do politics, so it's called coattails. Hey, I like to,
You're
just.
doing fine. You
But
stick around
when
here.
you see
Okay,
something
do
that is
this.
working.
Do this, and somebody will come down. Somebody else will come down and.
Okay, do this one.
Just do. Okay, let's go. Then go back down, and somebody else will come over and say,
Okay.
"Is that all you can do?"
Yeah,
then
okay.
Start here. There you go. Keep going. Just next key. And then go back down.
All
You have now
right.
played